Okay, so I got in is the integral from 0 to 1 of x to the n e to the minus x squared dx. I'm going to show that in is this in minus 2 minus e to the minus 1 over 2. Now, I mean, to reduce it, that power of n needs to come down, and that's by differentiating. But I got a bit of a problem on this question because I can't integrate e to the minus x squared. I can integrate if that power was a linear a linear expression for x, then I could just do it in one line. But you can't integrate that while that's a quadratic. Okay, so I need to play about a little bit in a minute. So if I differentiate e to the minus x squared, d by dx of e to the minus x squared, if I differentiate it, it stays as e to the minus x squared, and differentiating minus x squared is minus 2x. So the differential of e to the minus x squared is this. So the integral of minus 2x e to the minus x squared is equal to e to the minus x squared. Okay, so I need to set this integral up a little bit different then. So I can integrate an x e to the minus x squared. So I'm going to rewrite this here. X to the n, I'm going to take one of the x's, so that's x to the n minus 1, and I'm going to take an x with e to the minus x squared. So that's my u, and that's going to be my dv. So u is x to the n minus 1, dv is x e to the minus x squared. So du is n minus 1 x to the n minus 2, and integrating x e to the minus x squared, x e to the minus x squared, just rearranging that, is minus a half e to the minus x squared. Okay, so integrating that, that's minus a half e to the minus x squared. So using the parts, the integral of u dv is uv minus integral of v du. I got in is equal to, right, so it's uv, so it's x to the n minus 1 times minus a half e to the minus x squared from 0 to 1 minus the integral of v du. So it's double minus n minus 1 x to the n minus 2 e to the minus x squared dx. Now this is a format of the original integration, okay, where n is now n minus 2. So this is in equals, put 1 in first of all, so that's minus a half 1 to the n minus 1 e to the minus 1 squared, minus, and then put 0 in, so that's 0 to the power of n minus 1, so that whatever this function next to it is, that bracket is equal to 0 plus, take the n minus 1 outside, integral from 0 to 1 of x to the n minus 2 e to the minus x squared dx. So that's in is, right, 1 to the power of anything is 1, so this is minus a half, and e to the minus 1 squared, square 1 is 1, so that's minus 1, plus n minus 1, and this integral here is in minus 2. Okay, when I look what I got there, right, I'm a factor of a half out on, sorry, that's not there, that's with that, a factor of half out on this, so if I just check what again, so the integral of x e to the minus x squared is minus a half, and this was v du, so it was these two multiplied together, so I've missed the half off there. So there's I've done the taking out the minus sign, so there's a half there, there's a half there, so that's over 2. So in is n minus 1 over 2, in minus 2 minus a half e to minus 1. So that's the first part. A lot of work for 3 marks, but there it is. Now for part B, if I couldn't get part A out, I can actually still do part B, remember? And then this with I5 is IN minus 2, so 5 to 3 to 1, so I'm going to have to work out I1 first of all. Okay, so I1 is the integral from 0 to 1 of x e to the minus x squared dx, and I've got that on the first part, so that's equal to minus a half e to the minus x squared from 0 to 1, which is minus a half e to the minus 1 squared, square 1 is 1, minus plus then half e to the 0, which is minus a half e to the minus 1, e to the 0 is 1, plus a half. Then using this reduction formula, I can then find I3, so I3 is minus a half e to the minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 is 2, so that's 2 over 2 I1, which is minus a half e to minus 1 plus I1, that's that. So minus half is minus whole 1, so that's minus e to minus 1 plus a half, and then I5 is going to be 5 minus 1, which is 4, so that's 4 over 2 I3 minus a half e to minus 1, which is 2 lots of I3 minus a half e to minus 1, which is minus 2e to minus 1 plus 1 minus a half e to minus 1, so that's minus 2 minus half, that's minus 5 halves, minus 5 over 2 e to minus 1 plus 1, and it tells me in the format of a minus b e to minus 1, so a will equal 1 and b will be 5 over 2.